8 members of the Kuwait delegation are here in the Philippines to negotiate with Filipino authorities regarding an agreement to protect the welfare of overseas Filipino workers or OFWs in the said Arab nation. The proposed pact is called Agreement on Domestic Workers Recruitment, Employment, and Protection between the Government of the Republic of the Philippines and the Government of the State of Kuwait. It covers all OFW household service workers and skilled workers in Kuwait. One of the provisions of the deal is the prohibition to confiscate the passport and documents of Filipino workers. The agreement also mandates to allow OFWs to use their cell phones and for employers to ask permission first from the Philippine Overseas Labor Office for the transfer to other employers of an OFW.
Pag-usapan lahat yung mga provision that will provide our OFWs maximum and optimum protection while they're there.
Bello insists if Kuwait will not allow their request, the said agreement will not be approved, and the Philippine government will continue to enforce a total deployment ban.
If we cannot be assured of the protection of our workers, baka hindi po malilip yung deployment ban.
Bello says President Rodrigo Duterte also seeks to create a similar agreement with other countries as well. Since 2016, almost 200 OFW died in the Middle East. The number is aside from the around 6,000 cases of abuse, sexual harassment, and rape recorded by the Philippine Embassy in 2017. The Philippine government issued a deployment ban on Kuwait after the remains of OFW Joanna Demafelis was found in a freezer at an apartment in the said Muslim country. Bello says although the agreement will be signed, the deployment ban will not still be lifted unless the case on the death of Demafelis will be resolved. The labor chief also notes they are also considering implementing the deployment ban in other Middle East countries should the abuse of OFWs continue. The negotiations will begin tomorrow and will end on Friday. In the last week of March, the draft guidelines of the agreement will be released. Mon Hokson, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.